Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can simply add Etsy reviews for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they made is Etsy reviews. Let's sign up for free. Now you want to write email or password and then or Facebook or Gmail. And when you got it, click login. Now right here, you want to write Etsy. And you're gonna see here Etsy reviews. Let's create a widget. So right now, you want to just add Etsy URL here. Then you got like layout and filters and everything. Preview how the layout looks like, the source style, right? And style. Now click save. And when you got it, right before that you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your site, choose the light version, that's 200 views monthly. But if you want to go a little bit beyond, go with the basic or pro version, that's 5,000 views or 50,000 views. So these are good too. Let's copy the code. Let's go to my HTML, save and preview. And voila. Here we got perfect Etsy reviews for our HTML website. And this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support, feedback. And also, if you have any questions about implementing Etsy reviews on your site, write to Elsite and they will be really happy to help you. They're programmators. So thank you, see ya, and goodbye.